Imagine a world where quality healthcare is just a click away. Welcome to the era of telehealth. Long wait times, distant clinics, the old barriers to healthcare access are crumbling. Telehealth emerges, bridging gaps with technology, bringing care to where it's needed most. From rural towns to bustling cities, telehealth is revolutionizing patient experiences. Healthcare providers are now just a video call away, offering expertise without boundaries. The numbers speak volumes. Telehealth is not a trend, it's a growing necessity. Patients enjoy the convenience, but the benefits don't end there. Reduced travel, less exposure to illness, telehealth is a win for public health. Healthcare professionals find flexibility, balancing work with a digital-first approach. Investors see potential, fueling innovations that promise to reshape healthcare. Tech enthusiasts marvel at the seamless integration of AI and machine learning. The future is clear. Telehealth is a cornerstone of modern, patient-centered care. Through innovation, we're witnessing a paradigm shift in healthcare delivery. Join us in embracing the change, ensuring everyone has access to the care they deserve. Telehealth is here to stay, transforming lives with every click, every call, every connection.